Hi everyone, your browser could already know if one of your saved passwords has been compromised or if an important security setting needs your attention. Google Chrome includes a built-in safety check that scans your browser for common security issues in just a few seconds. It can warn you about weak or reused passwords, compromised credentials, unsafe extensions, outdated browser versions, and help you review safe browsing protection against malware and phishing attacks. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then, open Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security from the left panel. Then, click Safety Check. Next, click the Check Now button. Chrome will automatically scan your browser and show if your passwords have been compromised, if safe browsing is enabled, whether Chrome is up to date, and if any installed extensions need your attention. Finally, if Chrome finds any security issues, follow the recommended steps to protect your accounts and keep your browsing safer. That's it, a simple Chrome feature that can help protect your passwords and improve your online security in just a few clicks.